Hello, welcome back to Chim Sneaker, and this is another van reviews. So, in this episode, I will unbox the newest model of van that I've just got. The van old school all white. So we have the soft pieces that the store give me. This is the extra tote bag, and this is our main model. The van old school all white. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the model now. So, yes, this is our van old school all white. So, this model was so beloved by many of my friends because of what? Because it's super easy to go with any style of clothing. Just like if you are a basic lover, this model suits you well. If you are a colorful lover, this still suits well because of what? When you wear this piece on your feet, it's like it go well with every type of clothing, every type of, like when you wear a dress or when you wear a short or skirt or anything. Yeah, it still looks so great, so good. So let's have a quick look at the model. So the structure of the van is super iconic. You can see that it has a waffle outsole, but in this outsole it's not the orange colorway, just like any other type of van that you see, but it has a ray, like white gray colorway. And the midsole is super like recognizable from the Vans brand. And in the upper there are three parts. The first part here in the front of the sneaker, the main upper, which have like the laces and the eyelets. This eyelet of this sneaker is made by plastic. I will bring close for you to see. And the laces is super basic white laces. So, and the upper of it have the iconic Zaz stripe from Van. And in this model, it's made by leather. I believe that in the black version, it's also leather too. And the heel of the sneaker, there is an extra piece of fabric to hold the heel, and it is a little bit stiffer compared to the front part. And in the upper, you can see that at the neck of the sneaker is what is how the extra layer of cushion here, which is just like the Van era, and it will give you like the comfortable when you wear it comparing to the authentic Vans. And the stamp here, which is in black and white, it is a little bit different with the regular red stamp from the Van. So overall, this sneaker looks so like so basic, but it so have a lot of detail in the white color, so which makes it look super elegant in my opinion. So that is the quick view of the Van old school all white. So I will bring for you to see in pair a little bit closer one more time. Okay, and that's it. See you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my channel for extra authentic sneaker review. Bye bye.